a slice of heaven, the allure of Italian pizza. Pizza. Just the word conjures images of bubbling cheese, vibrant tomato sauce, and a symphony of flavors. Originating in Naples, Italy, pizza has transcended geographical boundaries to become a beloved global cuisine. But what is it about Italian pizza that captivates our senses and leaves us craving more? The beauty of Italian pizza lies in its simplicity and the harmonious blend of fresh, high-quality ingredients. From the perfectly charred crust to the carefully chosen toppings, each element plays a vital role in creating an explosion of taste. Unlike mass-produced versions, authentic Italian pizza is a testament to culinary craftsmanship, a labor of love passed down through generations. The key to unlocking the secrets of Italian pizza is understanding the importance of each ingredient and the art of combining them in perfect harmony. In the following sections, we'll embark on a culinary journey, unraveling the mysteries of this beloved dish and empowering you to recreate a taste of Italy in your own kitchen. The foundation of flavor, essential ingredients. Creating an authentic Italian pizza begins with assembling the finest ingredients. Let's explore the essentials that form the foundation of flavor. Flour. The soul of the pizza dough, 00 flour, finely milled from durum wheat, is prized for its high protein content, yielding a light and airy crust. Yeast. The heart of the dough. Yeast is a living organism that, when activated, produces carbon dioxide bubbles, giving the dough its signature rise and airy texture. Water. The lifeblood of the dough, water hydrates the flour and activates the yeast, playing a crucial role in developing the gluten structure. Salt. The flavor enhancer. Salt not only seasons the dough but also controls yeast activity and strengthens the gluten strands. Olive oil. The touch of magic. Extra virgin olive oil adds richness and flavor to the dough while contributing to its tender texture. These simple yet essential ingredients, when combined with passion and precision, form the basis for a truly exceptional Italian pizza experience. Crafting the canvas, a step-by-step dough making guide. Now that we've gathered our ingredients, let's embark on the journey of crafting the perfect pizza dough. First, in a large bowl, combine the flour and salt. Create a well in the center and add the yeast, ensuring it doesn't touch the salt directly. Gradually add lukewarm water to the well, using your hands or a wooden spoon to incorporate the flour from the sides. Once the dough starts to come together, transfer it to a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes, or until it becomes smooth and elastic. Form the dough into a ball, place it in a lightly oiled bowl, and cover it with a clean kitchen towel. Allow it to rise in a warm, draft-free place for at least 1 hour or until doubled in size. Section 4. The art of toppings, choosing and applying with finesse. With our dough rising, let's explore the world of pizza toppings. Choose ingredients that complement each other for a harmonious balance of flavors. Tomato sauce. A simple sauce with crushed San Marzano tomatoes, garlic, oregano, and salt. Cheese, fresh mozzarella with its delicate milky flavor is supreme. Vegetables. Sweet bell peppers and earthy mushrooms add vibrant flavors. Meat, spicy pepperoni, savory sausage, and prosciutto are popular choices. When adding toppings, less is more. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce, leaving a small border for the crust. Tear mozzarella into pieces and distribute evenly. Add toppings sparingly to avoid an undercooked crust. Section 5. The alchemy of heat baking to perfection. The final step in our pizza-making adventure is baking, where the magic truly happens. While a wood-fired oven is traditional, achieving pizzeria-quality pizza at home is possible with a conventional oven. Preheat your oven to its highest setting, ideally 500 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. If using a pizza stone or steel, place it on the lower rack to preheat as well. Carefully transfer the stretched pizza dough onto a lightly floured pizza peel or baking sheet. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, rotating halfway through to ensure even cooking. The crust should be golden brown and the cheese bubbly and slightly charred in spots. Once baked, remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool slightly before slicing and serving. Section 6. Elevate your creation. Tips for flavor perfection. Use high-quality ingredients. Invest in the best flour, tomatoes, cheese, and toppings you can find. The quality of your ingredients will directly impact the taste of your pizza. Don't overwork the dough. Knead until smooth and elastic, then let it rise undisturbed. Preheat your oven thoroughly. A hot oven is crucial for a crispy crust. Experiment with toppings. Classic combinations are great, but try new flavors. Embrace the learning process and enjoy the journey.